last two holidays for the week have been actually beneficial for our markets. Yeah. We've seen 300, 350 point kind of moves for the index.
So what are you saying?
So let's assume that this could be third day on a trot for the markets.
No, tomorrow global markets are also shut, so you won't get it. It's Good Friday, it's like a global holiday, so everything is shut. US markets are also shut.
Fair enough. But I think the rally in the last 5 days has been stupendous. I think 1400 plus point recovery for the index from 22,000 when we were on the verge of closing below that 22,000 mark towards the point where we are cruising about 23,000 mark for the Nifty. A 2,000 plus point recovery or a rally for the bank Nifty in just the last 3 to 4 days. And then the supports for the bank Nifty has risen up significantly higher. So we are at a point where the momentum is extremely high. And in the last 5-6 days, we've seen 3 gaps being formed for both the key indices, Nifty as well as for the bank Nifty. So that puts the supports on much higher zone for the index. I would believe that with so many factors moving around, the drop in India VIX, the drop in CBO VIX, etc., I think we could now be looking at a point where the markets should about stabilize at this 23,000, 23,500 range. But gradually, I think we should start to aim up on the higher side. 23,800 to 24,000 is where I would peg the targets for the Nifty over the near term.
Right. Chandan, hi, morning. We were just chatting about it as to how within sectors you are now seeing the weaker ones actually emerge as leaders. Case in point being banks, and I think soon the Nifty Bank could be headed in for a fresh high perhaps. Innocent Bank, Axis, Indian Bank, they are the ones which are now participating and pushing the Nifty Bank higher. What are you, seeing within the Nifty Bank and how these constituents are likely to move up?
Good morning. Thanks for having me. So we have this decent run up in the Bank Nifty index, and it seems that Bank Nifty is all set for the new lifetime high. We have seen a major momentum in last 5 trading session as it rallied well from 49,150 to beyond 53,167 marks. Lifetime high for the index is at 54,467, and we believe that this level could surpass very soon the way price pattern is formed on the daily and the weekly chart. It has surpassed a multiple hurdle at 52,000 zone. So till it holds above 52,000, we are expecting 1,000 to 1,500 points momentum in the Bank Nifty index. Now looking at the weightage name, we believe that major buying interest could continue in the name like Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. We have more positive on the Axis Bank. Setup is positive. It has given a breakout from a bullish pole and flake pattern. So with support of 1140, it can head towards 1,200 kind of level. HDFC Bank also contributed a lot, and we believe that 1900 call unwinding can take it towards 1900 zone. In reply to IndusInd Bank, the stock was beaten down. We have witnessed some build-up of short position, and now the way stock is holding well above 750, short covering is visible. So I believe with support of 750, it can head towards 820. But one need to keep in mind that the beta and the IV of the IndusInd Bank has increased, so volatile swing could be there. So positively on most of the private bank, mainly Axis, ICICI Bank, and IndusInd Bank could also see some short covering move as well in the market scenario.